Usually yung purpose ng buhay mo, nakatali yan dun sa unique gifts mo. Imagine mo kung si Michael Jackson, pinabasketball, o kaya si Michael Jordan, pinasayaw. Di ba? Parang wasak sila eh. Michael Jackson would never find his unique purpose kung pinabasketball mo siya. Yung sinasabi ng mentor namin sa amin lagi ni Maricar is, it's very good if your goals are directly connected to your purpose. Bakit ka nandito sa mundo na to? Bakit ka pinanak?
Meron kaming kilala na someone we admire very much. Parang dati, ang goal lang niya is to make money, have a comfortable life. And then later on, habang nag-work siya, unti-unting nabuo yung purpose niya na hindi lang pala ako nandito sa job na to make money. Eventually, habang nag-work siya sa business, nakita niya na yung purpose niya is she wants to create a business na it will be so successful na people don't have to leave the country and leave their families para mag-work. And it's so beautiful kasi nabuo yung purpose na yun dahil anak din siya ng broken family and then the mom and dad had to work abroad. So she had to go through her childhood na wala yung parents niya. So nung lumaki na siya, yun nga siya ngayon, naging purpose niya yung, I want to create jobs na that will pay well. Na yun yung magiging purpose niya. She doesn't look at her work as just a job now. Meron na siyang purpose na yun yung nag-guide dun sa goals niya.
So, ang passion niya dahil ganun siya pinalaki, hindi siya masyadong na-parent ng mabuti. So, part of her purpose now is to create a job na masusustain yung tao sa trabaho pero hindi na siya kailangan lumayo pa sa pamilya niya.
Last point lang about purpose is yung isa kong mentor din na sobrang kong ina-admire. Singer siya eh. For the longest time, akala niya, music yung purpose niya. I will create beautiful music for people, make them happy. And then, nung medyo hindi masyado lumipad yung career niya, parang na-dishearten siya. Pero, over time, sa kaka-soul searching niya, lagi siya nagtatanong, what is my purpose? What is my purpose? Eventually, dahil she always keeps that in mind, hindi siya naging discouraged. She's always looking. Nakita na niya na yung purpose niya is not really in music. Yung mga gigs niya na nakukuha niya ngayon, it's actually, ginagawa na lang niya yon para to fund yung mga orphanages. She loves rescuing street children. Doon talaga nag-glow yung mata niya, tapos doon siya nagiging fulfilled. So ngayon, she does music with a new passion and it's not just for the sake of music. Nai-envision niya yung mga kids na isa-save niya. Dadalhin niya sa home and a loving family. So, ang galing nung purpose niya ngayon.
Actually, okay yun, no? So, from music, nagkaroon siya ng higher purpose which is to help other people talaga na nahihirapan, no?